Who influenced you to marry?
And you there among, but na my mama.
Sharp. Congrats.
My married.
How did you do
For
that? Shout out to our mom, see,
Okay. Big shout out to Mom C. I can't lie, man.
for telling us
The right thing to do. Yeah.
and not to my Instagram
Three
buddies.
babes.
Hi guys.
Oh, God,
I'm
yeah.
in Imbi. Hi guys.
Now then you talk to now.
Yes. Where can I answer?
Oh, yeah, now.
Anyways, I want to interview and
Thank you.
say thank you. Anyways, today anything you want me to ask him, I'll ask him. I know what you want to ask him. Max,
Oh, yeah, now.
what's your full name? Let's use good English.
Okay. My names are Abubakar Sabit
Lee. Just Lee.
Let me who?
Anyways, I want to go straight to the point. What's your net worth?
My net worth? Yeah, I don't know.
Talk.
I don't know. Net worth like na compilation of everything we
I've
get.
forgotten you guys.
And I don't know.
The roughly.
I mean,
Estimate.
Estimate. Priceless.
Priceless.
They know they talk all those ones for outside now.
I understand. Me, I know say you get money.
No,
You get,
I know near you.
but you get like
Alhamdulillah.
if you take care of yourself and one or two people. Now why you want marry?
Come first. Wait. How the question take enter marry now?
I just dey ask you questions now.
Am I getting married?
I'm asking you.
Bro, I don't even know, man. I don't dey see what's happening, sef. You said because they ask me, like, say, you know, now you supposed to know now. I don't know, man. But, like, yeah, I can take care of.
One or two.
Inshallah.
It's okay. How old are you?
I'm 22 years old.
You need to marry. 22 years old, they marry.
You know, even ask if I reach. Sha, nobody knows, Sha. Even
I'm not married.
Yes, now. How old are you?
If you born Peking now, I'll be 20 something.
20 what thing?
26.
My caster.
Yes.
I don't know, like, you don't tell him, but that's not his age. In the lie.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you say if I marry now, if I born.
Who be Peking? It's like you and your Peking now. Who be Peking? What's the difference between you and your Peking?
Wetin be the difference?
What's the difference between you and your child if you born your child? Because you are still a child.
Me, I don't see life now. The pikin they go can't see life too.
Now behavior they deceive.
Oh yeah, come here. I don't even get this thing where I get it.
You don't come on see.
Now one now, see I'm not two.
E dey where be no day.
See my own.
E dey be no day. I bet more just be sincere.
Bro, see my own.
Ah,
If you even zoom.
who do this way they put spirits?
Bro, like,
That the enter Nick house.
Wallahi.
I see this thing, hair cream.
Bro, but you know say normally I don't dey get beard since I mean.
Where they would like they use cream.
No. Natural.
We'll go back to the interview.
Thank you.
I want to take train picking.
How did they train?
You dey compose.
You dey whine me.
If your pikin dey do wrongdoings, I
I'll
want to
slap him, man.
see person papa to be. This is go start picking.
No.
When I see the kind of father where I need to become.
No.
That's
I'm
all
not a
for the
bully.
interview.
Why you whine am there?
I don't. Why go be? No. I will
But
teach
you
how to
said-
take good parenting.
No, I am a mentor.
Who influenced you to marry?
And you there among, but na my mama.
Sharp. Congrats.
My married.
How did you do
For
that? Shout out to our mom, see,
Okay. Big shout out to Mom C. I can't lie, man.
for telling us
The right thing to do. Yeah.
and not to my Instagram
Three
buddies.
babes.